Oh no. Oh! Oh no, it's jammed.
Oh no, it's jammed. Oh Dad, no.
Retreat, retreat. At least you can retreat in the way. Ah!
What?
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Ow.
No! It's gone. End it. End it. I'm free. I'm getting my gun. End. Aha, Leona.
Hey, Frank!
I'm gonna get him. Hey, what's her name? Luke. I'm gonna get you some weapons to beat Leona. End. Oh, we might be able to use this. Look, a gun! Wait, you try to use the ammo. Ammo.
Count.
Right. Oh wait, does it fit? Yeah, it does.
Yeah!
Whoa! Oh. Wait, there's Leona. Get down, get down. Fire. Oh no, it's jammed. Get back, get back.
Come on, war!
I think it's ready to fire. My suppressor. Bingo. Come with us. Have your weapon. Jail for these crimes. Okay. I only need my pistol now. Guess what? You'll be sent to jail.
No, I won't.
Ugh.